how to buy the Dogefather token. Now this token came under the symbol of Dogefather. As you can see, this was created under the Elon Musk account, as you can see here. Now he said that, as you can see, he said that this is a real picture, and you can see here the Dogefather. So this token created under this post. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money was on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available right now on the screener. It created 23 hours ago and increased by 1000% in less than 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token right now trending number 1 on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open a function wallet for that. As you can see, now click here on swap, and after that make sure that you have enough Solana. Before that, make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is how token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and here click on swap, and you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch, as you can see, the slippage from here or custom, because the most issues, as you know, it came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy a Dogefather token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.